Discuss the adaptations of animals that are found in the polar areas. Today we will discuss the animals which are found in the tropical rainforest and what are the adaptations they have. So for that we must first know the climatic condition of the tropical region. As we know, it is close to the tropical region is close to equator, so it is very hot. Even in the coldest month, the temperature does not go below 15 degree centigrade. And in summers, it crosses below above 40 degree centigrade. This tropical region has equal days and equal nights. It receives plenty of rainfall. Due to continuous warmth and rain, this climatic condition in the tropical region supports a variety of plants and animals. Thus, we can say due to the hospitable climatic conditions, we find a variety of animals in the tropical rainforest. The animals found in this region are gorillas, monkeys, lion, tigers, elephants, birds, snakes, insects and so on. Then I will give you the general adaptations of the animals in the tropical rainforest. They have thick skin, then they have the ability to camouflage. Since most of the time they live on trees, so they have long tails, then sharp eyesight, they are bright colored, they have a deep or a strong sense of hearing as well as smelling and so on. These are the general adaptations. Now we will discuss few animals. For example, red-eyed frog. Most of the time it lives on trees. That is why its feet are padded with some sticky pads so that it can stick to the branches of the trees on which it lives. Then monkeys also we know, they live on trees, therefore they have long tails so that they can grasp onto the branches. The legs and the hands of the monkeys are also very well developed so that they can cling onto the branches strongly. Then we have toucan is a bird which has got long and wide beak which can just grab the fruits in the branches of the trees. Otherwise, these trees would not be able to bear the weight of the bird. But since the adaptation in this bird is they have a long and a wide beak which can reach to the end of the branches where there are fruits. Then you have beard ape, which is also called as lion-tailed macaque. It is pronounced as macaque, that is M-A-C-A-Q-U-E. It also mostly lives on trees, that is it hardly comes down because it feeds on fruits, vegetables, stem, buds and all the food it gets from the trees. Therefore, it does not come down. Then we have camels. How are camels adapted to the desert areas? It has got two eyelids so that it prevents sand from entering into the eyes. Then they have a thick skin but the body is not covered with fur. Then they have hump to store water and food, and also they have thick tongue. Then a very important animal in the tropical rainforest region is the elephant. How is elephant adapted, children? Elephant has got a long trunk, as you all know, which it uses as nose. So it also has a strong sense of smelling. Then it uses its trunk to pick up food from the ground to its mouth. Then it has got long ears which keep the body cool in the hot tropical area, as well as it can also hear the softest sound. The ears are very sharp hearing sensation they have, so that even the soft sound they can hear. Then their tusks are modified teeth and they are able to tear the bark of the trees with those tusks on which the elephant feeds. So these are the general adaptations, children, of most of the, like we have discussed few animals in the tropical rainforest region. Now here we come to the end of the explanation part of the chapter number 7. If you have any doubt, children, you can contact me on my personal number. Thank you and God bless.